Alip playing Michael Jackson. Wonder how well he can do it. And don't forget, after this video, I do have a playlist of quite a few Alip reactions. You can check those out afterwards. Let's see what he can do. Here we go. Very loud. Yeah, this is Black or White. Puts it in there, right there's the coffee. I know someone's gonna say, where's the coffee? Right there. I see it. On the floor next to it. I'm so excited to get to that part. Amazing job, and kicked ass on that solo as well. Again, check out my Alip playlist on my channel for some more. Check out one of my other videos.